The UltraPro S100 will be available in a desktop and laptop version. The desktop will come on the current UB3 cart with a support shelf to secure the monitor and monitor arm. The controls and connections will be accessible with the support shelf in place. The amplifier arm sits in the provided locations on the cart, and the amplifier holder secures the amplifier. The flexible amplifier arm with clamp is also available. The monitor arm allows for rotation to view from any side or angle. The monitors are available in 22-inch and 24-inch. An isolation box is required to support the power from the monitor, the computer, and printer. Both the 3 and the 4-channel amplifiers are available. The 4-channel amplifier has a built-in impedance check and a mute button, as well as the ability to use a common reference. The laptop version UltraPro S100 may be placed on the UB3 cart as well. No support shelf is required. The amplifier arm sits in the provided locations on the cart or in the clamp, if not purchased with a cart, and the amplifier holder secures the amplifier. The flexible amplifier arm with clamp is also available. With a laptop configuration, the wheeled rolling bag can be used to transport. The laptop UB3 carts without the support shelf with both the 3 and 4 channel amplifiers are pictured. The amplifier arm with post is also pictured. Both the 3 and 4 channel amplifiers are available. The 4 channel amplifier has a built-in impedance check and a mute button, as well as the ability to use a common reference. The amplifier arm clamp can be used when the UB3 cart is not part of the purchased configuration. When the laptop UltraPro S100 is used in multiple locations, the wheeled rolling bag is useful. Other hardware that may be required with the desktop or laptop systems include the stimulator probes, the AEP headphones, AEP insert phones, LED goggles, the tendon hammer, and the triple foot switch. This is a picture of the advanced stimulator probe. It is bipolar and has easily removable tips with adjustable orientation of the pins. It is small and lightweight for maximum comfort with programmable buttons for fast operation. It is supplied with the probe heads. The RS10 electrical stimulator probe is also available. It includes adult angled, adult straight, and touch-proof probe heads. These are the DD45 auditory evoked potential headphones. These terminate in the 9-pin connector. Pictured is the insert headphones with 9-pin connector. They can be used for auditory studies, including evoked potentials, audiometry, and intraoperative monitoring. Tips maximize intraoral stimulus isolation, help prevent ear canal collapse, and reduce stimulation artifact. These are the LED goggles for visual evoked potential testing. This is the tendon, also called reflex hammer, with a 9-pin D sub connector. This is the triple foot switch with a USB connector.